All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content on the S25 Ultra. Got some cases in from BENKS. I'm wearing a BENKS tempered glass, so that's good. Their tempered glass is really good. It's been holding up flawlessly. I don't expect anything. I did kind of fumble in the installation, but I caught itself. So here we go with the first case I want to show you here. This is for the S25 Ultra, and this is a case that I've used a whole bunch of times on there, the BENKS Aurora, and it's the case that we all know them for. So it's this colorful case right here. I'll get it out. I kind of showed you this next to my current gen case from them for the S24 Ultra, which I still have right here. You can see this is just the same case, new version. So let's go ahead and take off the tag here. We'll try it on. Really loving what BENKS is doing with their cases, man. So let's go on this way, slide it right on, and it slides on flawlessly. Perfect. And again, here it is next to the S24 Ultra in the same case from the previous generation. So it's looking pretty good. No complaints whatsoever. It feels better because, you know, I like ultra thin cases. And so this is a good look right here. You do have actually a little bit of lip protection on the corners now. Okay, I see how they're doing it. So there's a little bit of raised lip on each corner. So you do sit it down like this, you have some extra protection. Okay, I got you, BENKS. I got you. So it's looking pretty good. You know, you get your MagSafe joint going on here. Super strong. You'll be able to hold it. You know what I'm saying? This phone is a little bit smaller than the previous generation. So I think it's going to be just fine in your hand. If you don't like to wear bulky cases, this is definitely the way to go. So now let me show you the next case here from BENKS. This is the Armor Air. So basically another thin case. It's just going to be black though. And we're going to get it open. I love what BENKS is doing with their cases, man. These thin cases, to me, I don't like to wear cases, so this is always a win for me. I wish this case had the black trim around it, like the case I'm getting ready to show you in a minute, but hey, it is what it is. This is basically this case right here in a different way, which is not a bad thing. It's actually pretty good. Really like it. I'm fumbling with these boxes over here. Yeah, this case right here, again, that MagSafe technology, the magnets, ultra thin. This one's nice, got the black on there. This is one I would actually obviously wear with this case, this color phone. I had it for the other one, but I just like that colorful one a little better for some reason. So I wore it on there the majority of the time. And again, you have here a nice color combo. This is a little darker than my phone in person. So, but the gray around it looks actually pretty good now that I'm actually using it on it. Yeah, this might be one that I go ahead and rock out with for a minute. I like this. So again, MagSafe technology. Your phone should be able to hold on, especially in your car. That's a strong magnet. They use strong magnets. Now, this next case right here is the Armor Pro. This is an actual case. And this is one I think a lot of people love because it has full coverage and it is like a drop protection case. And I actually love this one too because it's kind of like this along these same lines, but it's a case. You know what I'm saying? So full coverage, got like a rubbery grip to it. This is probably going to be the one that I wear when I wear a BENKS case. This one is nice right here, but this one has all the protection all the way around. I think that's why a lot of people like this one. It gives that vibe of an actual case. Even though all of these are really nice, these are ones that people wear who don't want to wear cases. This is the case you need to put on if you don't want to wear a case. You need to be wearing these cases. If you don't want to wear a case, these are the cases for you, guaranteed. And I'm a person who's team no case. But if I do put on a case, man, I love this one. The last time that I had it on the other phone and I think I like it this time again. I can't front. I really like this particular case. It is a good look, man. It's just a really nice looking case. It feels really good. It's got like a rubbery texture to it. And this back here has texture as well. They all have texture, especially this blue purple looking one over here. This one has that kind of texture as that. This one is more on the smooth side. This one has texture and grip all along here. I mean, it's just got way more grip than those. So it's a combination of these two cases, but you get a rubbery feel to it now. So this is the BENKS lineup, man. It's the BENKS lineup. They doing their thing, man. I really like BENKS, and remember, I'm wearing the BENKS tempered glass as well. So, you know, just take note of that. It's a really nice lineup. These cases are for people who don't want to wear a case and you want to have like that ultra thin style going on, I'm saying, but this is it. This might be the one for you. I'll leave a link in the description to BENKS website and you can grab yours. Take care.